A Zimbabwean citizen has asked the Constitutional Court to strike down the country's newest constitutional amendment, arguing that Parliament and President Emmerson Mnangagwa broke the law in passing it. Ndiribo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna mnamu bdanyu pamchinzi. Vorande. Mahlupeko, a member of the National Constitutional Amendment Party, filed the application on Monday against Parliament, the President, the Attorney General, and the Minister of Justice, is asking the court to declare the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 Act 2026 now in void. The act signed into law by President Emmerson Mnangagwa on July 7 extends the terms of the President, Parliament, and local councils from 5 to 7 years, replaces direct presidential elections with a vote by Parliament, and expands the Senate. Among other changes, it also cancels the 2028 elections. Mahlupeko's application, drawn up by lawyer and university professor Dr. Love Madugu, contains that Parliament amended several constitutional sections that were never published in the bill's original Gazette notice as required by law. It also argues that extending term limits in a way that benefits the sitting president and lawmakers is expressly barred by the Constitution, and that changing how the president is elected indirectly strips citizens of their rights to vote for the head of state without saying so directly, which is prohibited. The application further claims Mnangagwa should have stepped aside for an acting president to sign the bill, given that he personally benefits from the longer term and that Parliament failed to give public notice before sending the bill for his signature. Mahlubeko is asking the court to declare the entire act invalid rather than strike down individual clauses, arguing that the constitutional amendment must stand or fall as a whole. The case filed under CC 7227/26 has not yet been set down for hearing under court rules. The respondents have 21 days from being served to file opposition papers. Toma developments are pangwa ine. Pinako message chemedu of mura aimot uli pamsura pichitkoich. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.